Hi, welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channels that helps resellers make more money. Well, today is the day I really like. It's the day we talk about what sold. I love selling things, and I love when they're in the sold. So today, that's what we're going to talk about. Now, if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay. We've been selling on eBay for over 20 years. So we've been doing it a long time. We sell on Mercari. We sell on Poshmark. We sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. Today, what sold? What did you sell in the second half of February? Well, let's take a look at how we did. So let's take a look at what we sold the second half of February. Well, you know, NHL is still going on, and it's big right now. They're getting exciting, and I did sell a couple of NHL stuff, and the first was this t-shirt of the Nashville Predators, I believe. And I didn't sell it for a lot. I sold it for $15. I purchased it a few years ago when I was able to get a bunch of t-shirts from a dealer who went out of business. Now this is a Ducks Unlimited. I had bought this at a garage sale. I got a big bag of clothes for $20, and this was one of the ones that I picked out, and I sold it for $24.99. It's kind of like a jacket. It's very nice, and I am selling these. I sold several. I sold these Vaseline. I sold two for $22. These were brand new that I had gotten when I bought a whole bunch of lotions. I got different kinds of lotions. Only two kinds seem to be selling, and this one is one of them, and this one is a good profit margin. Now, the second thing that I sold was this leather jacket. I had gotten this leather jacket. My thrift store had a sale. Anything in the store that was clothes related was 3 for $15. So I got this for $5. Then I got my percentage off, so I paid maybe $4 for this leather jacket. I had it for, though, a year and a half. I did sell it for $37. And this apron, I liked it because it was Wonder Woman. I got it at the Amazon return store like a year ago, year and a half. And I paid $1 for it, and I only sold it for $11. So it wasn't like a big, huge seller that was going to get me a lot of money, but it was the second one I sold because I had gotten two. So that's gone. Now this, it's not even football season, and what do you think? I sold a Denver Broncos helmet. This is a nice helmet. I paid, I believe, $4 for this one, also at a thrift store. You'll see these around from different teams from time to time, and I did have it for a while. I think I bought it last summer, but it didn't sell during the season. It sold now for $24.99. Not bad. And this is the other lotion that I have, and they did sell. I'm still selling these. I'm selling quite a few of those. I'm selling maybe 2 sets of 3 or 6s a week, so they sell really well. And I am over what I paid for it, so now it's all profit, and I have at least half of it still left. So I did pretty good on these. It worked out. Now over here, if you remember, I bought a bunch of records, got into a fight with a guy. Well, this was one of them, and it's an Elton John record. I sold it for $10, I believe. I paid $1 or so for each of these records. I've been selling a bunch of them also at the flea market. Not the good ones I put up on eBay, and the ones that aren't so great I've been bringing to the flea market. Also sold the Pittsburgh Penguins. Here we go, another NHL. Right now I'm looking for NHL stuff because they seem to be selling well. So if you have some, be on the lookout to buy some if you don't, because they seem to be selling very well. And I believe I paid $1.50 for this one, or $1 at a garage sale. Wasn't a lot. And shoes, these were Cole Haans that I just sold. These were women's shoes, and I sold these on Poshmark. Now, I have had these for a while. I only spent $1 on them. I bought them back when I don't know much about shoes, but I knew Cole Haan. I'd heard the name several times, but they did sell for $15, so I was happy about that. And this was my big sale of the last 2 weeks. I have 2 Meyer resin vintage purses that I bought at a flea market when I first moved to Florida, maybe 3-4 years ago. It's been almost 4 years. And I sold both of them in a bundle for $175. I believe I paid $60, maybe $60 each for them, but I've had them for a long time now, and I sold all the other ones I had, And I didn't make a huge profit, but I did make a profit on these, so it didn't turn out so bad. So those are some of the things that I sold the second half of February. So what did you think? Was it a good month? Was it a slow month? How was your month? For us, I don't know. You saw. What did you think? I don't know. I wasn't that thrilled. Please, whatever you do, take a moment to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and hit the bell. I am always interested in what you're selling in February. If you have the ability, please put in the comments what you thought sold best. It may not be the best thing that's selling in March, but it might just be. It's always good to know. Well, thank you so much for watching. Now I want you to go out there. I want you to find something good. Find something really good. Something that's going to make a lot of money. Okay. If you find some bread and butter items, that's always good too. But you go out there and you go make yourself some money.